when the camera lens sweeps the Middle Eastern, European, or Southeast Asian architectural features. One can see the territory of PHOMI expanding into 120 countries. With 80 million square meters of low-carbon eCovering already installed, PHOMI has become the common choice for buildings across different time zones. This is no accidental expansion, but the implementation of a global hub for new materials. By replicating geological textures with precision, the warm luster of Roman travertine and the rugged texture of rough surface are naturally continued across oceans on building facades around the world. For 18 straight years, on-site certification from international bodies has never been missed. Every product that passes carries a commitment to quality. For the whole product lifecycle, emissions are 98.63% lower than stone equivalents. This encourages sustainable development worldwide. From an industry pioneer to global leader, from setting standards to guarding customer trust, PHOMI low-carbon eCovering has over 80 million square meters installed across 120 countries worldwide.